taking my boy Leon. I done his coilovers twice and put his brakes on. He's one of my customers basically, but we've been friends for a little bit. But I'm about to take him for a ride for a reaction video, cause he basically has a stock G8. I say stock, I'm lying. It's got headers and a coder intake, and it's tuned, of course. And then it's got Megan Racing coilovers and some Brembos, some 4-pots. But about to take him for a ride, and let's see what he thinks. Alright, Leon. Just gonna cruise to the little spot. You see how it shifts different?
Yeah.
It's not that like that. Alright, let's wait for the shift to come.
Them horses over here?
Yeah, they got horses. No, that's cattle.
Oh.
That's cattle.
So they got a lot of grass to eat.
Yeah. They own all this land. So like everything from here is owned by somebody else. But everything else back up to this next street is owned by whoever owns that land. Like,
must be nice.
They got a bunch of land. Dog, if I had that land, I'll build a shop on it.
With a racetrack on it.
What? Build a drag strip right there.
Hell yeah.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to put like a little conference together, get a whole bunch of people that has a trade. You know, like you can bring your truck up there, I can bring this car up there, and, you know, to show them like different things. I can bring an engine. I can bring my cousin. He does like HVAC and stuff.
Yeah.
I want to show these kids that you know, yeah, school might be boring, but you don't have to go to college all 4 years to be able to make $100 grand a year.
Exactly.
Like my cousin, he made like his 3rd year in, he made almost $100 grand doing HVAC.
HVAC?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good money and that kind of stuff, man.
My homeboy Alfredo, Alfredo almost makes, well, he makes that much. I say he almost. So, you know.
What is it you say he did again?
Huh?
What did you say? You say he's an electrician too? For like,
No,
he works on cars.
No,
Yeah.
he's a mechanic,
Oh.
no. But he knows circuitry and all that stuff, and he knows schematics. All right.
Let's get it.
Well, here, I'm gonna show you something. Right when I hit it, it shifted into second.
That shit got loud as hell.
Okay, that's part of the reason why I didn't want to go fast. Here. You ready? It was spinning a little bit back there. That's why it wasn't going nowhere.
Shit ain't. Could have fooled me.
Alright, the tires should be a little warmed up. Here, I'll give you another first gear. You ready?
That's fucking insane. That's insane.
I'm gonna give you a little dig, but I want to do a little tiny burnout, get the tires warm, because I don't think they're warm enough. That pull was a lot better than that first one.
I think my phone flew in the back.
Yeah. It does. Phones do find their way out on these damn calls. You should know that.
Oh yeah, for sure. What the hell?
When you trying to record or something?
Oh damn, it's right here. Something flew back there though. I don't know what it was.
Alright.
Oh shit, I ain't get that. I'm afraid to drop my damn phone.
Alright. Yeah, the tires are sticky. I hear it. Alright, we about to do a pull.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah.
Don't forget, I got 6 spots.
God damn, nigga, I felt that shit in my legs. What the fuck?
Yeah, that was 120.
Jesus, that fucking quick?
Yeah. But I'm gonna make you go save some money.
Damn.
Yeah, it's funny though, man. Like, here, I'll show you a little 20. I mean, second gear pull.
Yo, that ass does give me that feeling of a roller coaster.
I told you. That's why I asked you if you ate, because it would be even worse if you did.
Yo, I can feel it literally in places I ain't gonna say out loud, but bro, I feel it. I thought it was a Lexus. I'm asleep.
No, I thought that the Cadillac was a V. I'm gonna give you a little highway pull. Like, you thought I got to 120 quick from like that first gear pull? Bro, like literally, bro. Like one day I was just messing around. I just trying to see what the car could do. And I looked up, I was at 160. I was like, whoa, okay.
It's trying to simmer down.
Oh man. You want a cam now?
I mean, I've been on one, but now, shit.
But you really
But it's not a, you got an upgraded stall and everything, right, don't you?
Yeah, I got 1300.
Yeah, wow. I ain't.
Boy, that stall helps on that like a dig. But the I'm gonna get a 3600. And it's a triple disc.
Yeah.
So it will help me cut a 60 foot a lot better. I'm not gonna say my 60 foot because I don't save my time. I'll tell you later. But I'm gonna tell you that it's gonna be like a 4/10 of a second difference.
Nice.
Hey, there goes Caprice. Let me go race him. Look, he on the drag pack and everything too. Look at him. Grapevine police. Let's do a deal. You know, that'd be cool. Ooh, they just rolled somebody.
For real?
Yeah. I thought he had a U-turn on me.
It's a G8. This Cam, I know what he's up to.
Hey, bro, just that knowing of you about to get pulled up. I
got pulled over the other day.
In the J?
Hell yeah.
Lord.
Yeah, telling his ass to go.
I'm about to say,
He pulled me over. I was headed to watch Lion King, and he said I was squealing tired. Bro, I was just riding home.
was you at like 30% throttle or something?
I was at like 0%. I was just on it, like chilling. And he tried to say I was going around corners squealing tires and shit. It was just a bored ass cop. It was late. It was like 10 o'clock. I was going to an 11:30 movie. 11:30 movie. And then he said, I can't have my license plate up there. It's got to be mounted front center of the bumper.
Tell him you don't have holes in your bumper.
I know.
Hey, what's up, bro? Brandon. different because I'm using the transmission. You're using the engine. Yeah. I'm not. But you know you can turn engine brake on these cars. Yeah. Like my truck that I drive at work, I can turn engine brake on it. But it's already on. I be hating it sometimes. I be getting out the gas just to idle, and it just freaking like, bruh. All that's not needed.
What the hell is that? Oh, cicada.
Bro, one of those hit my foot, bro. In my warehouse at work. Yeah, here you go.
Man. This is that item.
I'm up though. We're moving a little bit.
Man.
This is sitting still. This is my little favorite spot to do a pull. We'll do one more. That's 80.
This shit's fucking insane, bro.
I did a pull on your tires. I was like, let me just see if because you got way more tread on your tires than I do. I mean, you got way more tread.
Did it grip more? Or?
Huh?
Did it grip more? No.
Like second gear, like first gear was like, all right, hook. Second gear was like, ah! I was like, all right.
Out of here.
Yeah. So that just tells me if I'm braking first and second gear on, 275 and a 285. At the power level I'm at, it's like, it's tires, if even having normal tires, is there useful to buy spending that extra money on just normal tires, you know what I mean?
Yeah, basically just gonna shred them off anyway.
Yeah. They're just good to creep around in, that's it. Bro, I wish I could show you how this thing turned, bro. If I was on my other tires. I tell you what I do. I'll take you for a ride the next time you come on my 20s.
The Camaros?
Yeah. Bro, you gonna be like...
Those are 18s in the back?
17.
17.
It's a 275, 40, 17.
What type tires are they?
Hosen, it's a drag rating. You don't need this yet.
Nah, hell no.
Like,
this makes me think my car is literally probably like 2-something, or maybe no, like low 3s.
He didn't. Oh yeah, he don't have a dyno, right?
I didn't get a dyno. He did a street tune.
These cars come with 303 crank.
So I'm probably about 340, 350 ish. Maybe 360. I don't know.
Yeah. So. Yeah, so what a bolt-on G8 do is about 350. Yeah, about 350, yeah. So that's about right. Bro, I just put these strut mounts on after I put yours on. And mine's are already beat up. So I'm gonna just talk to
Alfredo?
No. Yep, hello light. BMR guy. I'm gonna talk to our BMR guy and be like, hey man, I bought these brand new from Summit, and I probably had them on there. I don't even know. Like, how long my car been running? About a month?
Yeah, about a month now.
Yeah, for a month, and they already, expanded. All right, y'all. So I took him for the ride. I think he really liked it. So this is kind of like a way to convince people I can make some money off of them for Built by London. So he liked it. So I'm about to ask him how he feel, how he really. So we did the ride. I already just told y'all that. We did the ride along. I did a couple first gear pull. I did like one second gear pull. And then I did a high rate fourth gear pull. And what you think?
I feel like I went to Six Flags for free, man. Six Flags, Applebee's.
Well, I don't know if it was for free because I did work on my car today.
True. Well, other than that, aside from that, yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely felt like an amusement park.
That's why I like to hear.
I'm still shaking.
You hear my water pump?
Yeah.
The radiator? You hear it sound like popcorn up there? That's because of you. You made my car hot.
Made her happy.
Get my fingerprints on it. But yeah, so took him for a run. This is my second person. There's a guy over there. He drives the Jeep. You can't see over there. I can barely even see over there. But I'm gonna take him for a ride, and then he gonna take me for a ride. So that probably happen next week, possibly. I'm not 1,000% sure. But I bet you my car leave harder than his. But alright, y'all, like, share, subscribe, do what y'all usually do. Alright, holla, y'all.